If you are wondering if Motorola Edge 70 Pro supports power sharing, then the answer is yes. The phone supports both reverse wireless and wired charging. So in the case of wired charging, reverse wired charging, if you want to charge another device, of course, we need to use a cable that fits both devices that you want to use in this case. So here I have the Motorola Edge 70 Pro, and here I have another smartphone, which I can charge, of course, if I want to. We just have to connect them together. And there we go. Of course, it doesn't really have to be just a smartphone. You can also use pretty much anything else that can be charged via USB. As you can see, the phone charges immediately. Now, another thing that you can consider is, of course, the fact that if you connect, let's say, two smartphones together, then your Motorola might be charged instead of charging. So what you can do is you can go to notifications in that case, and you need to find charging this device via USB, this notification over here. You want to tap on it to open USB preferences, and then here at the bottom choose charge connected device in order to switch around and make sure that your phone is charging instead of being charged. So something that you need to keep in mind. And of course, in addition to that, we also have the reverse wireless charging, as I mentioned, and in order to use it, well, first of all, let me just unplug both devices. I'm gonna remove the cable. There we go. And now we just have to go to settings. Then over here in settings, we're gonna proceed to battery settings. And then here we should be able to find the power sharing option. Now, of course, it only works with other devices that can be charged wirelessly. So if you have that other device that can be charged wirelessly, then you can turn on the power sharing, place your Motorola face down, just like that. Let me actually make slight room over here for the smartphone, and then we should be able to place that other device at the back of our Motorola. And there we go, now we are charging. Of course, if there is no connection or something, if the other device doesn't want to start charging, you might need to slightly adjust the position, but you want to make sure that the center of one phone is at the center of the other one. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.